Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can instantly create a signature with AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva desktop version. This is the PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, you can click apps, then click design essentials. You can scroll down and then try to find AI signature. Design your unique signature in seconds for free. So let's start with use a new design, for example with Instagram post aspect ratio. So here you can enter your name or initial here, for example this one. Choose the color, let it black, and or you can draw your own signature here. So like example, generate with the signature text. Wait for the process, and here we go. This is the result, the ton of result that you can use for your signature in your document. For example this one. Here we go. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.